Hi guys, well here we are. We're at the Ford dealership, Ford Dumaguete, and we're getting our car serviced, our truck serviced. We're getting oil change, filter change. So we're down here in Dumaguete, and now we've got time to kill, so we're gonna probably catch a pedicab and then take a ride down to eat breakfast or something. So right now it's a matter of waiting for a ride. What happens is one will come by and then we flag it down and then tell them where we want to go, and then they'll take us. But so it's not too busy this morning considering it's Monday. Here comes one. We don't know if it's empty or not. Oh, trike, there he goes. He's got riders. We're not going in that one. We're still waiting. Like another one's coming. I don't know if they got people. Looks like they got people. So, okay, I'll let you go for now. When I get a pedicab, a trike, I will video our ride. So everybody take care. Talk to you soon.